Hi guys, I'm John and this is Combo Geek, and today I bring to you guys something a little bit special that is, yay, a new wheel. So basically I like to thank you nah, I don't like to thank you the brand because I buy with my own money. So basically this is the Thrustmaster open wheel add-on. Is a wheel to race GT and Formula 1 or Formulas games, and basically I will change my actual wheel, that is the standard wheel that comes with the T300. So here behind me is my cockpit, the monitor and the mess of the cables that is normal, and there it is. I have the box. I didn't open yet, but I know what we have inside. Basically is a quick guide, a simple quick guide in order to help you to install, but it's fucking easy. So basically is that the box I will put aside. Here we have a simple package that was not great, but it's okay. And here we have the wheel wrapped in this type of foam and the box itself. So basically here we have the thing, the Thrustmaster open wheel add-on. The style of the quick release from the Thrustmaster is that one that you need to something like screw in the base, and then put a little screw to tighten up the wheel in the place. Here we have some of the best pedal shifters that Thrustmaster release. Was I here in the internet? The click is very good indeed. The wheel itself is not so plasticky or toy-like as I imagined before. The wrap for the handle is a type of leather. We something like suede or alcantara is the term that they are using here. We have controls here, buttons. We have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 buttons. It's very good. This rotary button have some resistance. It's very good. A type of spring. And in the middle we have the symbol of the Thrustmaster. I know that if we remove this plate here, we can put the Bluetooth, the BT LED that is also sold by Thrustmaster, but I have some ideas to not buy this type of thing. Probably I will do a support in order to use my sparing smartphone that I have here in my house that was not used for nothing else. So I will put the smartphone here, maybe using the cut that is in the metal in the base, and put the smartphone behind is one idea. Other idea is put in the smartphone in front to use the whole panel, the whole LED screen of the smartphone. So there it is. I will install this wheel in my actual setup, and I bring to you guys in a few moments the new setup. So There it is. See you there. So here we are, now properly configured. Sorry for the way that I'm looking for the screen. I am not familiarized with this. So basically what we have here now is the wheel itself installed, and let's see what we have, what we can do in a race. So I saw you guys in a few moments. So guys, because I am very excited about this new wheel, let's do a quick race to get a little bit of practice in order to don't get so bad results in our career mode. So let's go, let's try one wheel, one race. Basically the wheel itself is already plug and play, you guys know about that. It's already working properly, very good indeed. Later on I will configure each button in order to put more like a real race car, or at least close enough. And let's see, let's do a quick race then. Let me try to select, no, okay, let me go to here, then damn it, quick race, okay. Basically we have 11 opponents, all the same category, and we have 5 laps using the Formula Rookie car. That was the car that I'm using actually to do the career mode, this part of the career mode I mean. So let's start and let's see what we will feel using this wheel. The setup is a little bit different because I don't have my lumbar support right now. I remove in order to record the video. But okay, let's get started. I think I will not change nothing because everything is already configured. So let's race.
Let's see if we can nail the leader right off the start. Focus on those lights.
Let's see what I can do. Okay. Nice. Okay, good.
Good start, good start.
Damn it, I don't pay attention. Yeah. It's really nice indeed. I'm not using my usual shoes, racing shoes. Okay, my bad. Nice. Damn it. Okay. I will use gloves with this wheel because I don't want to mess with the Alcantara leather. Okay. The sensation that is a proper real race car is so good with this wheel. I'm doing some errors to change the gears, but normal. I spent basically 1 week without racing. 205, it's good. I did wrongly in that corner. I'm thinking in put the previous wheel behind me, above the chair, the cockpit chair, in order to put something interesting in the background scenario. Whoa. I lose my... No, not here, bro. Woo. I almost lose my position.
Good work. That's the best final sector of anybody today.
Nice. I think add the smartphone with the wheel will be very good, because I will have a lot of information in the wheel itself. It will be very nice indeed. 4 of 5. I don't know why I'm very good here. Not so very good, but I'm better here in quick laps, quick races, than
That was the fastest lap of the
in
race.
the career mode.
Last lap now, mate. Stay focused. Just keep it clean and tidy all the way to the flag.
The difficulty of the AI of the game is not so low here in the quick laps.
Good stuff. That's the fastest sector time.
I think I will increase a little bit, but it's not so bad. I think it's in 10% or 11%, no, 20% I think. It's not bad at all. But yeah, here I think I'm doing better than the career mode.
Fantastic. Great win. You nailed it today.
Nice.
Brilliant driving.
So guys, there it is. I just want to bring to you this little addition to my setup, to my current setup, and show how the wheel itself behaves when you just take from the box and put in the wheelbase. So basically is this. All the buttons are working very well, and I will add a little tweaks later, but there it is. I hope that you have enjoyed. If yes, please like, subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.